guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. आज का वीडियो बहुत ही मजेदार होने वाला है because I'm finally sharing a soul store का haul. You guys have been requesting me to do a haul and इसी वजह से मैं इस weekend चली गई थी soul store के कोलकाता वाले store में and you guys, I swear I did not plan on to buy this much. मैं सिर्फ t-shirts लेने गई थी but once I entered the store there was literally no going back, so it's gonna be a huge haul. So yes, let's get started. मैं वहाँ actually गई थी to get some oversized t-shirts क्योंकि who else does better oversized t-shirts than Soul Store. इनकी quality इतने अच्छे होते हैं, they are very long lasting and very comfortable and I don't know how इतना सारा कुछ मैं उठा लाई. So now without wasting any time, let's quickly get started with a huge Soul Store का haul. First let's start with the two trousers that I got and these are called the full-on trousers and these are what they look like. You guys know I've been living in curves dresses and those wide leg trousers क्योंकि I cannot wear anything else in this humid and chip garmi of Kolkata. This right here are the perfect middle ground kyunki they give you the look of a denim but with an ease and comfort of a trouser. They have such a cute subtle Disney inspired detailing and it's actual bead embroidery. This one is an easy 8 out of 10. It's losing a little bit of points kyunki in the embroidery and it actually needs a little bit of care while washing, but I guess that's actually nice and gives the pants a lot of character. The next item is a wardrobe staple, especially ऐसे गर्मी में, and it's a beautiful basic black bralette top that I have. I got this in order to pair this with the brown trouser जो मैंने आपको share करा, and I have the exact same one in a white color. पहली बार मैं जब Soul Store गई थी and जब मैंने shopping कराना, I actually got the white one, so मुझे पता है कि वो कितना ज़्यादा comfortable है, उसका fit कितना अच्छा है, and that's why when I saw the black one, I just picked it up. It is one of those basics जो आप अपने oversized shirts के साथ trousers के साथ sneaker के साथ आराम से pair up कर सकते हो. I'm rating this a solid 9.5 out of 10 and I'm literally buying this in every possible colors. If you know me, you know that black is one of my absolute favorite colors and so I had to pick another black top for myself and it is this one right here. This is called the Scarlet Top. One thing that actually caught my eye was the square neckline. You guys know I am a fan and a huge sucker for square necklines. It just makes you look so much more softer, feminine, and that's the only reason मैंने ये choose करा है. And it just looks so nice. अब देखो, this is so simple, classic, yet so chic, and I love the fact that I can just put this and wear this with any of my bottom wear, be it a skirt or a trouser, and look so much put together. Perfect for brunches or date nights and even those days when you literally do not want to put any effort to look good. This is easily an 8.5 because of the side slits. And to make my wardrobe more interesting, I got a beautiful red dress and it looks like this. Look at this beautiful dress right here. It's so quirky and so interesting. It is this very beautiful peanut speed beagle polo dress and look at how adorable this looks. The overall vibe of this dress is very playful, has a very beautiful fitted silhouette and it has the cutest patch detailing all over the dress which I absolutely love. It is one of those dresses when you put on you instantly have that vibe. You look so much more prettier, cuter without actually trying too hard. To be really honest with this silhouette, मैंने सिर्फ plain dresses को ही देखा, so with these patches, it actually makes the dress way more interesting. This is an easily 8.5 for me. With the patches and all, it just makes a plain dress so much more interesting and so quirky and so fun. Let's come down to all the t-shirts and shirts that I got जो मैं पहन रखी हूँ. It is also from the Soul Store जब मैंने ये सब कुछ लिया था. So let's start with the t-shirt that I got and it is this very beautiful the Desi drop na adi na ant oversized tee and I'm literally obsessed with this. Why मैं सब कुछ दिखाऊंगी and बताऊंगी भी कि why I'm obsessed. This is what the beautiful t-shirt looks like. The print right here looks so cool and it gives such a cool Desi attitude and I just feel like this is the perfect concert tee. Plus it has this Devanagari running across the chest, na adi na ant, which actually means no beginning and no end. Plus there is also a full snake print wrapping the whole tee and then there is a third eye on the back like it's watching everyone behind you. This is such a cool concept. Didn't expect anything else from a homegrown brand. This is a straight up 10 out of 10 for me. The concept, the print, the placement, the back detailing and the thought behind actually creating this t-shirt is 100 out of 10 for me. I freaking love the concept and the intention behind creating this tee. This one, I'm telling you guys, just get it. Absolutely a banger product. Now let's talk about the beautiful piece that I'm wearing. It's called the pink linen shirt, and you guys, I can't even tell you how gorgeous it looks in real life. It has the cutest detailing. Let me show you. It is one of the most softest shirts that I have in my wardrobe right now, and the fit, the silhouette is so beautiful. It is bound to make you look 10 times more prettier. The one thing that literally has my heart is the detailing at the front with these oriental buttons. I freaking love it. The moment I saw the detailing at the front is when I decided to just get it. It looks so nice, and this right here is easily a 10 out of 10. And for the very last item, you guys, you're not ready for this. Spider-Man is releasing this July, and when I spotted this tee, I had to get this one for myself. So this is what the beautiful Spider-Man Gwen Stacy tee looks like. Let me show you how beautiful it looks. This is what I'm wearing, you know, to the theaters when I'm actually going to watch Spider-Man. Look at that beautiful t-shirt. You're not ready for the back detailing. Look at this right here. Oh my freaking goodness. Look at how beautiful this looks. And I love the vibe of this t-shirt. It's super edgy, super cool, super cute, and a little mysterious, and made such a beautiful statement without being too loud, and it's perfect for those days when you want to look cool but still cute. It's got this cute towel embroidery which is super soft and also gives the heaviness to the fabric. The subtle detailing of a heartbeat on the sleeves and neck is so Gwen Stacy. This is a solid 9 out of 10. I love the detailing at the back. Look at the spider web. Is so cute. Also, I really wanted to get this beautiful red Spider-Man tee, but obviously it just got sold out super fast, so so now I'm just waiting for the restock. I mean, just look at this. It looks so cute, plus it's cropped, which just makes it even better. Honestly, one thing that I absolutely loved about each and every piece in this haul is that most of them are cotton and linen, and it matters a lot क्योंकि ऐसे कोलकाता के uncomfortable, humid and इतने heat वाले weather में ना this actually matters a lot. Your body feels lighter, your skin actually breathes, and आप actually अपना outfits को enjoy करते हो without actually feeling uncomfortable. So this right here is a banger, a 10 out of 10 haul video. सारे के सारे cotton है, and I'm just super excited to actually go on to actually style and wear them and feel so nice, super comfortable, and look super cute. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारे लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस वेरी वेरी सून. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.